Hello and welcome again to my channel, Cooking Ina Siargao. In this video, I will share the recipe that I will make for the lunch of my children, which is pork steak, mga cooking ina. The ingredient we need for our pork steak are pork. We call the plus curry here in Sweden, this type of meat. I searched this in Google. It's a pork meat, this one. And garlic, onions. I cut this one in a ring cut, like this. And soya sauce, lemon, ground black pepper, paprika powder, salt, sugar. This is optional, it's depending the taste of your family. And spring onions, this is optional as well. It's for garnishing. I like put a garnish every time in my recipe because I want my food look appealing, you know, mga cooking ina. And I have pork cubes. I'd like to use pork cubes in this cooking because I'd like more tasty of our pork steak. In Philippines, we using mga magic syrup, ginisa mix, something like that for giving more flavor to our cooking. But as I said, here in Sweden, it's not available, that stuff here. And we need also an oil for frying our pork steak. Now mga cooking ina, join me to make a pork steak. First we're going to do is we're going to marinate our pork. I'm using gloves. So now mga cooking ina, we do like this in our marinating. You know mga cooking ina, this is very good if you marinate also overnight. We do like this. First, we put the suya. You estimate mga cooking ina, the suya we're going to use in our marinating of our pork. So we do like this. And we put our lemon. This is good mga cooking ina. More lemon. In Philippines, we use calamansi. That's very good too. But calamansi here in Sweden, it's not available. So I use lemon, and then it's good as well. It's the same in calamansi. So I thought I have 3, but I think 2 is enough. So and then we mix well mga cooking ina. And then in this mga cooking ina, we're going to marinate at least 30 minutes before we start frying. So after 30 minutes mga cooking ina, see you, and then we cook our pork steak. And now mga cooking ina, our pork steak with onion is plated. Look mga cooking ina, it smells good and looks yummy. So now mga cooking ina, thank you for watching. I hope it inspire you guys mga cooking ina. And if you like my video, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and press the bell button for your notification. Bye! God bless!